Here we have a vehicle seat cover with ventilation. You can see the on and off button right there. It looks like it has 3 settings, 1, 2, and 3. And you just plug it in to your car cigarette lighter. So let's go ahead and set this up. So here it is. It's pretty big. It goes all the way to the top. It has vents here. All these little holes are vents. And it has 2 fans right here at the bottom. Check this out. So 2 fans here. So like the back of your legs, the back of your knees. And the plug, the power cord. You could use a cigarette lighter, disconnect it from there, plug it in with this one, and you could plug it in. So it's not only for your car, you could use it sitting down on a chair at home also. Or if you have one of those adapters that you could plug it in, you could plug it in. Most cars have plugs now also. So it doesn't only have to be in the front seat, it could be in the back seat, wherever you want to put it. Back here, it has 2 little hooks. So you hook it on to the neck rest and the headrest, and then here is this, so you put around the back. So let me go and strap that in. There's a little red indicator light there that it has power. You turn it on right here. There's the 3 dots for low, medium, and high. I have it on high. Look at that air. It's pushing up the seat, the back too. So wow, this is really nice. And this is where it sucks the air from. Yeah, it sucks the air in from here and it blows it out right here. So yeah, look at that. Not only is it really comfortable, it has a lot of cushion, but you feel that breeze in your back and your legs. It's just really comfortable, and that breeze feels really good. Right now it's about 84 degrees. And oh yeah, this thing is nice. So there it is. Put it on the low. You feel the breeze. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Second one, you could hear it. And you can see how it goes up. Push on this, that goes up. And high. So really nice seat cover, all in black. I put the hook here and 1 hook there just so it could be a little bit lower, or you could strap it up and it'll be higher. Strapped up the back, and to turn it off, there it is.